To get started, I just added 2 clips to my timeline that I'd like to add a fade to black effect to. Let's begin by heading over to the Effects tab and typing fade to color into the search box. Then I'm just going to drag the effect to the end of my video on the timeline. By default, the color should already be set to black, but if it isn't, make sure the effect is selected and go over to the Controls tab. Click the color picker box next to color. In the pop-up, select the black color and hit OK. Okay, and now when I play this back, my video fades to black. If you want, you can extend the duration of the fade by dragging the edge of the effect on the timeline. You can also drag this effect between 2 clips or at the beginning of your video. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.